Happy Saturday! This is Sherry from Style Tips with Sherry. First, before we get started, I just want to say thank you for all the love that you guys gave me last week for doing my first video in over a month, and it just made my heart happy, and I am so grateful to you and just really all the comments that you made. And I tried to respond to every one of you, and if I haven't yet, I will get there. I've got to go back and look at the comments, but thank you just so much. Well, in today's episode, we are going to talk about a trend that you are going to see all over the place this spring. Like, it is going to take over, but you might not even realize that it's a trend because it revolves around denim. So I wore my denim jacket today to kind of set the mood. I'm going to talk about 5 denim trends that I believe you are going to find in your own closet, or you're going to say, there's no way, even if I have it in my closet, am I going to wear it? And we'll just see, what is it? Do you like it or not? So 5 trends. Number 1 is called crafty denim. Crafty denim are just a pair, it's just a pair of jeans that you might sew a patch onto. My recommendation, go to a fabric store, go to a thrift store, go to a vintage store, somewhere where they have maybe scraps of fabric, pull some patches, maybe get an old quilt that's kind of ripped up, pull it out and sew it onto your jeans. As simple as that. Now, it may or may not be for you. One of the things that when we talk about trends, you don't have to wear them. They're not all something that you're going to kind of relate to. I'm not sure that's a trend I'm going to wear. First of all, I don't sew. But do I want patches on my jeans? Probably not. But you're going to see it, and it is a trend. So that's number 1. Number 2, and I almost hesitate to share this with you, but I'll bet you that you might have one of these in the back of either the closet that you wear your regular things from, but you haven't touched it in a while, or maybe it's in another closet or packed away because you thought, well, what? Maybe one day it'll come back in style, and it's back in style. And it is. Drum roll. I feel like we need a drum roll for this. The denim skirt. Not kidding you. Okay, so what's happened is one of the top trends that you're going to see is called Y2K fashion, a nod to late 90s and early 2000s style and fashion. And so I remember back in, I don't know if it was 90s, well, definitely 80s, a denim skirt was part of my wardrobe. Now, it was a mini skirt, you know, a denim mini skirt, but it was, I mean, I wore it all the time. I lived in Miami, and it was just a uniform. Like, throw it on, go to the beach. Throw it on, run errands. Throw it on, go on a date. I mean, that's what we did. And so the denim skirts are back. Now, they're showing up in minis. We want to stay away from the micro minis. Those, yeah, no. But they're knee length, longer, maxis, and midi length are, you're going to see. But the other thing, remember the crafty denim that I just showed you? Another thing you're going to see with this denim skirt is the kind that might have, hey, this might be if you've gained some weight and you want to use the denim skirt you had and you can sew. But what they look like is that, you know, the ones that have the slit in the middle, they're actually sewing in another piece of fabric. So it might be dark denim on the outside and then light denim on that, you know, on the, what do you call it? I know you're trying to fill in the word for me and I can't think it. You know, the opening thing. I know there's a word for panel. You can sew in a panel for that. But they're back. I think probably what I will do on another video is actually show you some ways to wear the denim skirt this spring. Yeah, I'll do that in an upcoming video. I'm going to have to go get a denim skirt first. And I am still on a shopping fast. I've been on a shopping fast for January, and I'm doing it again in February because I like to wait for the Closet Outfit Planner to come out, so I really kind of know what pieces to add to my wardrobe. But I think a denim skirt might be fun to get and just sort of help you know how to style that. So that'll be something I do. Probably not till March though. So just FYI. In the meantime, look for a denim skirt. All right. The next denim trend that you're going to see is dark denim. Typically in springtime, we tend to get our lighter wash out, but not this year. This year, you are still going to see lighter wash, and if you love a lighter wash, then go for it. But dark denim for this spring is going to be super popular. I like dark denim. I think it makes us look trimmer. I think it hides more stuff like bumps and things that might be on your legs. You know, I mean, just especially if your jeans are too tight. Hopefully they're not. But skinny jeans, they were sort of on their way out in the fall, and you're not going to see a lot of them this spring. They're really, it's more of a what do I call it? Like kind of a not an ankle, kind of an ankle, but not a capri, but one that's a little wider leg, not a full leg, but more of a straight leg, but that's cropped. What is wrong with me? I can't even think of the words today. It's more of a cropped denim. And so jeans, and I think those are great for spring, but more of a cropped, but dark denim. And then the fourth trend, our fourth denim trend, is kind of a two-part. It's low rise and low rise with wide leg. So this is part of that nod to that Y2K back in that late 90s, 2000, super low cut jeans, low cut, kind of more of a wide leg. But wide leg's been in for a while, but just really think about that low rise, even though it's a trend, is probably not for us. Those of you who watch this video, my videos, we're women of a certain age. We're in prime time, baby. We don't need to be wearing, low rise with our whatever sticking out, and they don't hold in any fluff. Like, let's get real. Like, high rise is amazing, and high rise has stayed around for a while because we look better in our clothes. It's not like we're wearing midriffs with our high rise jeans, right? Our shirts are usually over top, and even if we have a really cool belt on the outside, low rise just doesn't work for us. So let's just take that trend and say, see ya, and not wear it. Now, can you wear the wide leg? Absolutely. If you love wide leg, go for it. I wouldn't do the big bell bottom, but if you want more of a, a little bit more of a little flare, then by all means. So, and the fifth trend is called distressed hems. So, distressed jeans have been in for the last couple of years, like big time. I'm not seeing as many overly distressed jeans this season, which I'm really happy about because, they don't even really look nice. They've been trendy and but they're just not, I like them and I have them, but they're lightly distressed. This season though, they're distressed hems. So it's just a little bit at the bottom. And so this is really nice when you wear kind of your dark denim cropped, or even a light wash denim, that's fine as well, medium wash, but they have a little bit of distressing at the bottom. You can find that on white denim, on antique white denim. You can find it on colored denim. So colors, pop colors. You could find it on the edge of skirts. Maybe distress the bottom of your denim skirt if you find one in the back of your wardrobe. But just a little distressing around the edges is going to make for a really good trend. And it'll make you look modern. And here's the thing, ladies, that's what it's all about. Can you wear every trend? Yeah, if you want to. But what we want to do is we want to make them look modern, up to date, making sure that we look like we, first of all, are classy, and that we are elegant, and that we look like we know what we're doing when we put our clothes together. That starts with color. We know that's first. But make sure that you look in the mirror and you go, this also works for this year as well as maybe it did a few years ago, but perhaps there's something you need to do to brighten that up. And one more thing is this next Wednesday, we have a very special and exclusive announcement that we are making about the Closet Outfit Planner. So if you are not RSVP'd yet for that event, and if you're on my email list, you may already be, but make sure you go RSVP for that and join us. It's really exciting. And so we're going to announce it. I'm going to go live into the Closet Outfit Planner Facebook group, but we would like you to RSVP so we know how many are going to be watching us live that night, and that just helps us on our back end. So if you are not registered for that event, go to stylebycolor.com. It's right there at the top, and you can register for that event. stylebycolor.com. Anyway, thank you guys. Thanks for being here. I so appreciate you. And until next time, I'll see you then.